Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, I want to thank everyone for joining us every night. It means a lot to me. We've really had a lot of participation, and this is actually something I'm going to go buy tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Saturday. So Saturday I'm actually getting me one of these. It's the DeWalt Cordless vacuum. I found a really good deal on it. It's on sale at Baumgars in Brighton. So if you're in Colorado and you want to get a deal, go to Baumgars Brighton. They had this thing on sale. I couldn't exactly quote the price, but it's a really good deal. It's probably cheaper than anywhere in Colorado. And like I say, it takes the 20 volt, and I'm going to be using a 5 amp hour battery on it. But I was really impressed with it. I've actually used this vacuum multiple times to, suck through conduits, clean up my mess, and not have to use a broom. There's like a lot of reasons that electricians don't want to have to use a broom, and especially one of these is going to help you out. They have different attachments that go to it. They actually have a long, I guess it would be like a long sweep attachment that you could just put on there, and dude, this thing works great. We actually had this data room, and yeah, Daniel has a good point. He's good for sucking moss with jetline through long runs. So yeah, Daniel, you have to watch the length of runs. I've noticed, like if you're gonna get really long runs, then you need to get a higher horsepower. But I think this thing runs like a 2 horse, so that's a good point, Daniel. I think it runs like a 2 to 3 horse, so you can do probably up to like 200 to 300 feet runs with this. But like I really like this for like electricians. When you're trying to get, like Daniel was saying, suck that mouse through, or just put that long sweeping attachment on and just vacuum up where you're working, where your work area is. That way you don't have to break out that broom. But altogether, I think this is a really good electrician tool, and I really 100% recommend it. And I recommend it to myself because I'm going to go buy it on Saturday.
I got a question. I sometimes ask questions on these. Does it have a strap when you strap it up around your shoulder that it can just hang off your shoulder while you're doing it, or you got to hold it by hand? You
can put a strap on there. Like that's usually what I would do. Like I would, like I'm one of those electrical ninjas. So I would just like make my own strap and just kind of like put it on. Like It doesn't have a backpack attachment, but maybe that'd be a good accessory to add to it, would be like a backpack strap.
Okay, all right.